make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your
This right here. Got it from Home Depot. So my sister is here helping me. She's supposed to be helping me, but instead she's been a loser. So.
And I'm holding the camera because this old cunt. I don't know what the fuck she doing.
Okay, so I don't have my little drill bit that you like drill the holes in with.
Drill the holes in with or holes?
The holes.
So you can drill bits for holes?
Maybe I won't need it. Okay. So it says use a 1/4 one. So these are the 1/4. These are small ones right here. Why they gave us so many?
Just in case you messed up.
Oh, you know what? They probably label everything. So this is one screw. They don't got it. How big it is.
How big the screw is.
So let's hang this one up first. I just measured it and I'm literally just making this up, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly.
Just
you know what?
Don't break the goddamn window.
Don't do that. Hopefully not.
And don't fall.
Go to it. Don't you fall when you off. Come right here. Are you able to see what I'm doing?
Yep.
So you really want to pre-drill this hole first, but because I need my sister to help me.
No.
I can't hold it in. I can't pre-drill. You can scared. I'm gonna cut your fingers.
Exactly. Girl, you over here giving me Superwoman vibes right now, baby. Can do anything. She gonna hang a fucking blind. Ain't this some shit? Oh, look at her tree out there growing. Look at her tree. That's out there growing. The tree out there treeing.
Tree out there treeing, doing what it's supposed to do.
Now, if you need somebody to drill a hole for you, hole, call this one. You can drill holes.
Boom. Got the whole reset for me.
Just say holes.
So now, let's put this right here.
I'm sorry for all the cussing. You might be getting it done. Oh shit. Oh shit, sister, you getting it. Girl, drill it. Drill it. That's probably why they got the screwdriver on there for the rest of the way. Yeah, if you had somebody to hold it, it'd be better. You need to get the other screw in there, Qweenjwarren. Start the other screw.
Oh, yeah, we don't read instructions. You look at pictures.
You want some drilling, so. Yeah, y'all want somebody to hammer some shit in? Baby, call this one right here. Call this one.
My drill don't jiggle. It folds.
It will help you go get them hoes.
Whoa.
Wait, the holes in the wall. Holes in the wall.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah, come on now. You do it too much.
I need 2 long ones to like make sure. I need 2 long fatties. Long fatties.
Drill that hole, sister.
Yeah, you gotta know how to control your drill to do stuff like this. I don't have a pre-drill hole. So you gotta know how to control.
We gonna have shit coming out everywhere. Don't play with my sister at all. Motherfucker good. Yeah, call her the handy hoe.
Handy hoe! Call her the handy hoe! I'm about to call.
Cause I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
And just like
that, baby.
That bitch got a blind.
And just like that, baby.
That bitch got a blind. That bitch got a blind. Hey, that bitch put up her blinds. Go ahead, sister.
And just like that.
Cause her shit don't wiggle. Hey, get it, sister. She put that blind up. Hey, she put that blind up. Hey, she put that motherfucking blind up. Hey.
Baby, if I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed.
Baby, this bitch, and just like that, she got a motherfucking blind. Go ahead, sister. You better get it. You need some handiwork done around your house? Just call this girl right here, Queen on her day off. She come over there.
I caught him slipping. I just had to let him know. Ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you
better gotta go.
This bitch.
I can't let him take my soul. Nah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul.
Oh, she done found some extra stuff on this one. It's coming down though, sister. It's coming down.
So it comes with this little piece of paper. Y'all get the same blinds. You pull it off and it has like tape. I don't think it's 3M tape, but it ain't that strong. But it'll help hold it a little bit so you can get your nail in position. You feel me?
But don't wait too long because it's gonna fall down.
We fall down. Call
Queen
me
good.
Candy Queen, baby.
Just don't drop that screw. I'm not. Sing song again. We fall down.
Cut
We
it,
get
cut
up.
it, cut it. It's a thing. It's a thing.
Put it in the clip, ho. Put it in the clip, ho. Oh, the hold on did it. Oh, wait a minute. You got it in there? Oh,
I didn't get a ladder.
You almost did it. You thought you was a little couple inches taller than you were.
I know I can't like push it up against it. It's in there. Oh, there it goes.
It's secure.
Now I heard it click. Now you heard it click.
I heard it. Did you just click over there? It's in there. Now, if you need anything done by a real bitch, call this bitch. I got a real bitch.
Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. We go forever now. We go forever.